Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to get 15th anniversary cape in Minecraft for free. It's a free Minecraft cape, green color with creeper face. To get this free cape, go to minecraft.net. Scroll down. In this section that says Shape Your World, find this section, Get the 15th anniversary cape. Click it. In this section, you will see the button with the text on it, something like Get the Cape. Then you'll have to log into Minecraft using your Microsoft account and you'll get the cape. I've already got the cape, so for me it says you got the 15th anniversary cape. And if I click Wear the Cape, it will take me to this page where you will see the instructions on how to equip the cape for Java and on Bedrock edition. So for the Java, go to Skins, select New Skin, select the cape and click Save and Use. And as you can see, here's the cape with the elytra. Without elytra, it looks like this. So that was for the Java edition. Let's see this cape in Bedrock edition. And here we are in Bedrock. Go to dressing room, click on capes icon. And here, click at this cape, click on equip button. And here we are with the cape. So this is how you can get this free cape in Minecraft. If you missed this event and could not claim this cape, subscribe to our channel. We will notify you when the new free capes will be available in Minecraft. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.